back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you easy DIY greeting card ideas. So let's get started. For the first idea, take any colored paper and fold it. See that you take a light colored paper. I have taken a light pink, but yeah, you can take any light colored paper. Now draw a picture of a mason jar. After this, take another colored paper and draw a heart. See that your heart is not too small. Now cut it out. Make more such colorful hearts. Now take your card and arrange these hearts on the jar. Now with the help of a glue, stick all these hearts as you arranged it. And it's done. You can even with the help of a sketch pen draw the outline of the jar, or you can leave it like that. It looks so colorful and so good. For the second idea, take a colored paper and draw a shape of a balloon. Cut it out. This card gives a 3D effect and it is very easy. Now with the help of black sketch pen, write happy birthday. And in the end write cutie. And it's done. This is very easy and it gives a cute effect to your card. Now for the other DIY, take a colored paper, fold it. Now I am making a coffee sleeve on the paper. After cutting it out, you will get these two cutouts. Now with the help of a glue, stick the sides of the coffee sleeve. Now with the help of a white colored paper, I am drawing its lid. Just follow the same step how I am drawing to make its lid. Now cut it out, and after this stick it with the help of a glue. Stick the same way. Now cut another piece of white colored paper and stick it. After this, stick another pink color heart and it's done. Thanks for watching.